Hi guys, I'm Jax. So today I'll be comparing my old art style versus my new art style after the intro. So today is a redraw of this character. I'll just go ahead and quickly do the outline. And now that everything is already in, I am going to be doing a old art versus a new art, or should I say old art style versus a new art style. So I already see differences in the outline, but I tried to get the best color comparison. For this, I did swatches to make sure that I was using similar colors on each sketch because I wanted to do a true comparison. So for this, the right off the bat, the first thing that I'm doing differently now is I'm not using pencil crayon much anymore, and the older sketch is a pencil crayon sketch. I did pen with pencil crayon, but this is pen and markers. So yes, my application for this is smoother, especially because it's a marker. And for this, I also try to add the colors so that they blend in together, they dry down together, and that is something that I am doing differently from my older sketch. Also, based on the outline, the girl's face is different shape. The older outline, her nose is further away from her eyes, giving her a more elongated face, but now I'm drawing more like the nose closer to the eyes, so it's a definitely different shape face. But otherwise from that, I am adding my colors in blocks. Before I just did like different colors all together all at once, but for this I am doing the lightest color first, or the base color down, and then I would go in with the shadows to define the work. So right now I'm going in with a shadow for the face, and I tried to get like a pink color for the shadows based on the older drawing. Also, my placement for shadows are so much different. Before, I just put it on the perimeter of the face and didn't do much like inner shading, but now I am doing more inner shading and lessening the perimeter of the face. This is a close-up of what I do so far. It's nice and everything. Now let's go ahead and add the details. The details is what really changed for me, like the more dramatic change in my older art style, because I tend to add details with pen back then. I'm now adding it with the marker and adding also pen details. So for this, I would go ahead and re-outline the work, or re-outline the sketch, because I do believe when you have a fresher looking outline, it makes the sketch look so much better. So for me, I used to just leave the outline choppy and looking crazy, but for now I am making sure that I go over the outline. Usually you have outline where you outline with the color or the darkest color based on that section of the face, but now I really like how the black outline looks, so I'm outlining seriously with black. Now I would usually go in and add my sketchy lines. That's what I call for that's give my signature style. I do not have that style in my older artwork because I just didn't, because I grew to draw the work this way now. But yeah, I really like how the older sketch tried to add an expression. Comment down below which expression you thought I was trying to draw here, but I tried to draw an angry expression. I tried to draw a girl looking angry at someone. In the beginning it was looking angry, like the newer sketch it was looking angry, but now that I'm adding everything, it's kind of looking like she's just irritated versus angry. So I try to experiment with expressions. I am still not good at drawing expressions, but I'm trying to improve. So for this, I am going to do the hair. And also the hair is another thing that really improved for me, because I used to draw hair quite crappy in my opinion. But now I am okay with the improvement that I've been doing with the hair. I try to add different colors and not let everything look monochromatic. Also, this is not a video to bash my older art, because if I didn't draw the older art, I wouldn't have improved to this place in time how I draw now. So I really what I'm basically doing is appreciating the fact that I've improved, but also I want to, because I've improved, I know, or I have seen changes in my art, and I can appreciate the fact that I do here much different than the previous way that I used to do here. Also, to me, when I was doing my older art, it was so amazing, it was so beautiful, especially that older hair. I was like, wow, so much details. But now looking back, I was like, okay, you needed a lot more details in this to really convey the fact that it's supposed to be cornrows. But I really like how it turned out, and my older art really is like the foundation for my newer art. I really like how everything turned out. So this is a close-up of the newer art. I really like the details in the hair. But yeah, so this is the final comparison. To me, I would say the winner would be the newer art, because this is how I currently draw, so I'm biased based on the newer art. But the old art still have a nice place in my heart, but I would say the winner for me is the newer art. Comment down below what you think. Anyways, remember to stay over easy, and bye.